There's no hidden agenda in sprint planning. It's about deciding, as a team, what will be accomplished during the sprint and figuring out how everything will happen. A typical sprint planning agenda has 5 parts.
The event could open with a brief overview from the Scrum Master explaining the meeting's purpose in time box. It's also important to identify team capacity right from the start, so everyone has visibility into who's available during the upcoming sprint.
Next, the product owner describes why the sprint is valuable, which may include a review of ordered product backlog items for consideration. Some of this discussion could already have happened during backlog refinement, but you may have new items and information to consider.
Now we're in the heart of the meeting, when the team comes together to define the sprint goal. This is also when the team discusses what can be done this sprint and how it will get done, often reviewing each work item, including acceptance criteria and dependencies. The purpose of the sprint goal is to provide direction to the Scrum team, aligning their efforts and enabling proper focus throughout the sprint. At this stage, the team decides what to include in the sprint backlog based on capacity and item estimates. Teams forecast how much work they believe they can complete in the sprint.
Sometimes a team can look at an item and know what it will take to complete it, and sometimes they need to break it down and see all the moving parts. That's why it's a good idea to set time aside to break down the selected product backlog items into smaller work items. The team will also identify dependencies, risks, and potential impediments.
At this point, the team reviews the sprint backlog and ensures that everyone is aligned. They identify any remaining gaps, concerns, or actions.
How you close the event matters. Ending abruptly in the middle of a discussion is not a good way to transition into the sprint. Instead, you can try something like the fist to 5 technique. Ask team members to hold up fingers or signal agreement in another way. 1 means no way, and 5 signals total agreement.
Then, end on a positive note by expressing your own confidence in the team's ability to achieve the sprint goal and by thanking everyone for their collaboration.